Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. Since millets were the staple food of our ancestors, not just in India but all over the world, we can make many dishes of international cuisine using millets. One such recipe we will be making today is lemongrass infused millet rice served with my version of the Thai red curry. So let's begin. I have pre-soaked 1 cup of little millet in 2 cups of water for 6 hours. In a thick bottom steel vessel, I am going to pour the water which we had used to soak the millet and bring it to a boil. I am using 4 blades of lemongrass cut into medium-sized pieces and I am tying them into a bunch with the help of a clean cotton thread. I am dropping the bunch of lemongrass into boiling water and I am going to allow it to simmer well. As the lemongrass boils in the water, it's going to give out a lot of flavor into it. I am also going to add 1 spoon of cooking oil just so that the rice doesn't become sticky. I am adding salt to taste. After 5 minutes of boiling, I am going to remove the bunch of lemongrass and now I am going to add the soaked little millet. Going to cover it and allow it to cook. I'll have to stir it once in a while and within 10 to 15 minutes it will be cooked and ready. To make the Thai red curry, I have taken 15 mushrooms cut into half a small cauliflower cut into small pieces, 1 medium-sized capsicum cut into medium-sized cubes, 1 medium-sized carrot cut into thin slices and 1 big onion cut into thin long slices. And another bunch of lemongrass. I'm also going to need jeera, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 spoons of red chili powder and a big bowl of freshly extracted coconut milk. Traditionally, galangal is used in Thai cooking, but here we are replacing it with ginger since it's easily available to us. To know the procedure of preparing coconut milk at home, you can visit the link given below in the description. First, I need to steam the vegetables. You could use a steamer, but if you don't have one, you can add some water into a vessel, place a plate with holes over it and then layer it with the vegetables and cover it with the lid. I will be steaming the carrots and the cauliflower first. It needs to steam for 5 minutes on a medium flame. And then I'm going to steam the mushrooms. Next I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoons of oil in a pan and spread it around evenly. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add jeera and allow it to splutter. And then some finely chopped ginger. And then in go the onion slices. I am going to saute the onions till they turn translucent. Next to go in is the bunch of lemongrass followed by the cubes of capsicum. Saute for another minute. I don't want to overcook the capsicum. I want to retain its crunchiness. The next ingredient is 2 spoons of red chili powder and before it burns, I'm quickly going to add in the coconut milk. Once the coconut milk goes in, turn down the flame to sim. We don't want the coconut milk to break or curdle. Now I'm adding unrefined sea salt and then the steamed carrot, cauliflower and mushroom. A final 2 to 3 minutes on sim so that the vegetables absorb all the flavors and then we're ready to go. To serve the dish, I'm going to place in the center 1 bowl of lemongrass infused little millet rice and I'm going to pour the Thai red curry all around it. And here you go. Healthy and tasty international cuisine prepared with millets. Enjoy!